My name is Samuel and I'm a systems engineer here at Lab.gruppen Lake. Working here is all about fun. It's one of the few places in the world where I can combine my passion for electronics with my passion for music. I've been around music as long as I can remember. I used to follow my dad to church and being part of all that community and the choir, and then sitting in my mom's lap playing piano, and then I've been in different bands as long as I've been able to, basically. And then when I started at uni, I got more and more interested in the production side of things, and I started working extra as a front of house and a systems engineer. Working here is actually amazing. There's a lot of talented engineers here, and also a lot of people here have a music interest in common, which brings us together. And I also like the relaxed atmosphere. You can just be yourself. It's all about having fun. Nice. I'll teach you how to.